Hello students, today we are going to start Standard 5th Subject Maths Problem Set 26. So as you can see this question, draw and name the following angles with the help of protractor. Here they have given you 60-degree angle. Okay, so how you will draw? You have to take a scale of 15 centimeter. Okay, here I have taken the big scale. You have to take the small scale, students. So 15 degree 15 centimeter you have to take the scale. So here I am taking imaginary line. I have to draw imaginary line in this way, and you have to highlight this point. Now as you can see, this is the 60-degree. As you know, less than 90-degree, this will be acute angle. So with the help of protractor you will keep on a line, and 60-degree you will measure, like 0, 10. Wait, I am zoom and show you. Yes, as you can see, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Accurate exact 60 you have to take like this, and you get the point. You have to make a point. Now I will join this point with this point in this way. So now you can give the angle name, like suppose I am giving A, B and C, and this is of 60-degree. So in this way you have to complete measure angle 60. Now we will see the second, that is 120-degree. So again I will take a imaginary line. Okay, now as you know 120 is more than 90-degree, that means obtuse angle. So again take a protractor, keep in the same way. So now from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and itself 90, 100, 110 and 120. Here the 120 is coming. So from here I am making a point, and I will join this point with this. Okay, same direction. I'm writing here 120-degree, and you can give the name like L, M and N. So in this way you have to take the proper measurement. Now we will see this third angle, that is 90-degree. As you know, this is the right angle. So again I will take a imaginary line, imaginary base you can say, students, and with the help of protractor I will take 90-degree from here. I will join this point this from this in this way, and imaginary name you can write like P, Q, R, and here you have to write 90-degree. So in this way you have to see the 90-degree angle. Now we will see 150-degree. Now we will draw imaginary line. Now 150-degree angle is, students, acute angle. So again I am taking a imaginary line. Now with the help of protractor I will 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 in this way. 150 you will take. As you know, this is the acute obtuse angle, more than 90-degree. So you can draw in this way. So this angle is of 150-degree. So imaginary you can give angle name X, Y, Z. Same way angle 30 we will see. Again we will draw the imaginary line, and with the help of protractor We'll take 30 degree. So again this I will give A, B, C. This is 30 degree. Now sixth one. Again imaginary line. With the help of protractor, you will take 165. That is obtuse angle. Okay. So 0, 10, 20 up to 90. 100, 110, 120, 130, 40, 150, 160. In between 160 and 170 there is 165. See here, 60 and 70. So this shot you can take. So in this shape you have to draw the angle, that is 165. So you can write the imaginary name. Suppose I am taking L M N. Now 45. This is acute angle, as you know. So again imaginary line I am taking this. With the help of protractor, I will take 45. In between 40 and 50 there is 45. So here. Now I will join this. P, Q, R. 45 degree. So in this way you have to complete this problem set. In the next video I will show you the next problem set, students. Thank you.